The United Kingdom. This beautiful and vibrant country, situated in Western Europe, is a land of rich history, vibrant culture, and enduring traditions. It comprises 4 nations, namely England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, each with their own unique character and identity. From the dazzling lights of London to the tranquil beauty of the countryside, the UK is a place of endless discoveries, where ancient heritage meets modern innovation. With a storied literary and artistic legacy, an eclectic music scene, and an unwavering affection for tea and tradition, the United Kingdom is a destination that enchants and enthralls travelers of all kinds. In this video, we'll embark on a journey of exploration and uncover the intriguing history, captivating culture, and breathtaking attractions that make the United Kingdom one of the most fascinating and sought-after destinations in the world. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of United Kingdom. London. The capital city of England, London is one of the world's most recognizable cities. London attracts millions of visitors each year due to its rich history, diversified culture, and limitless attractions. London's history extends back over 2,000 years to AD 43, when it was built by the Romans. London has been the site of key historical events throughout the centuries, notably the Great Fire of London in 1666 and the Blitz during World War II. Many historical luminaries have called London home, including William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, and Queen Victoria. London is a cultural hotspot with a thriving art scene, diverse cultures, and countless festivals and events throughout the year. The city is home to some of the world's most famous museums, including the British Museum, the National Gallery, and the Tate Modern. London is also known for its world-renowned theatre district, the West End, which attracts millions of people each year. Edinburgh. Edinburgh, Scotland's capital city, is known for its gorgeous architecture, rich history, and dynamic cultural scene. Edinburgh Castle, which dominates the skyline and provides stunning views of the city, is located in the city. The Royal Mile, a historic thoroughfare that connects Edinburgh Castle and the Palace of Holyrood House, is certainly worth a visit. Bath. Bath is a lovely city in southwest England, known for its stunning Georgian architecture, natural hot springs, and Roman baths. Visitors can visit the old Roman baths and learn about the city's history and culture. Lake District. This is one of the most beautiful national parks in the United Kingdom and a must-see for nature lovers. This breathtaking region is home to some of the highest peaks in the United Kingdom, including Scafell Pike, and is peppered with lovely villages and quiet lakes. Cornwall, located in the southwest of England, is known for its rugged coastline, attractive fishing villages, and beautiful beaches. Visitors can visit the famed seaside town of St. Ives, walk along the Southwest Coast Path, or go to the Eden Project, a one-of-a-kind ecological attraction that houses the world's largest rainforest in captivity. York, located in the north of England, is a fascinating city rich in history and culture. The city is home to some of the finest specimens of medieval architecture in the United Kingdom, including York Minster, one of the world's most beautiful cathedrals. Oxford. Home to one of the world's oldest and most prestigious universities, Oxford is a city famous for its stunning architecture, picturesque streets, and rich history. Visitors can explore the city's historic colleges, stroll along the River Thames, or visit the Ashmolean Museum, one of the UK's oldest public museums. The United Kingdom is a fascinating and diverse country with something to offer every traveler. From the vibrant city of London to the stunning landscapes of the Lake District in Cornwall, the UK is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you are a history buff, nature lover, or culture enthusiast, the UK has something to offer everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this videos, then like it and subscribe this channel for your next dream travel destination videos. And don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you.